Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Charles Carroll. On this channel, I explore ideas about persistence, constraints, and the patterns we see across the universe. We talk about physics, cosmology, and how structure appears and survives in nature, from atoms and stars to life, intelligence, and even civilizations. You'll often hear me talk about persistence and constraints, so today I want to take a moment to explain what I mean by those ideas and introduce the framework behind much of the content on this channel, something I call the Carroll Wells Gradient. The core question: most physics explanations focus on forces and motion. We learn why objects move, why stars form, how galaxies evolve, and how energy flows through physical systems. But underneath those explanations, there is another question that often goes unasked. Why do some structures persist while others disappear? Why do certain patterns, atoms, planets, stars, galaxies, and living systems manage to survive for long periods of time, while countless other possibilities collapse or fade away quickly? The Carroll Wells Gradient begins with that question. Instead of only asking what moves in the universe, it asks something slightly different. What lasts, and what kinds of structures can exist long enough to matter? The central idea. The central idea behind this framework is actually very simple. The universe is not selecting outcomes by intention, and there is no guiding purpose determining what survives. Instead, physical constraints filter what can persist. Structures that fit within the rules of the system, the laws of physics, thermodynamics, and information, can continue existing, while structures that violate those constraints collapse, dissolve, or transform into something else. Persistence, therefore, is not about strength or purpose. It is about compatibility with the rules of reality. Over time, the universe naturally becomes filled with patterns that can survive under those constraints, and those patterns are the structures we observe throughout nature. The layer model. To explore this idea more clearly, the framework is organized into layers, with each layer examining how persistence appears at a different scale of reality. At the most fundamental levels, we see geometry and gradients shaping motion and structure through space-time curvature, energy gradients, and local interactions. Entropy and information then determine which patterns can endure and which ones dissolve over time, while thermodynamics places limits on how systems maintain order and how complexity can grow. As we move upward through the layers, persistence begins to appear in more complex forms. Life emerges as systems that maintain themselves against entropy. Observers and consciousness appear when information systems begin modeling their environment, and eventually civilizations arise as large-scale persistent structures built from knowledge, cooperation, and technology. Across all these scales, from atoms to galaxies to living systems, the same pattern appears. Reality is not random chaos, but structured persistence operating under constraint. What the Carroll Wells Gradient is not. It is also important to clarify what the Carroll Wells Gradient is not. This framework is not a replacement for physics, and it does not discard established theories such as relativity, quantum mechanics, or thermodynamics. It is not a mystical interpretation of the universe, and it is not a claim that a single new equation rewrites the laws of nature. Instead, it is a way of organizing how persistence appears across different physical systems and scales of reality. It provides a perspective for examining how stable structures emerge and survive within the constraints already known to govern the universe. Where this channel fits. This channel explores those ideas through individual videos and series that look at persistence across many domains of science. Some episodes focus on the physical foundations such as gravity, thermodynamics, entropy, and information. Others explore how complexity emerges in living systems and intelligent observers. The Layer series walks through the framework step by step, while other videos explore broader ideas about how persistence shapes the universe across different scales. Together, these discussions build a larger picture of how structure survives within reality. If this perspective interests you, you might enjoy exploring the Layer series or some of the other videos on the channel, where each episode looks at a different place where persistence appears in nature, from atoms and stars to ecosystems, minds, and even civilizations. When we look closely enough, a surprising pattern begins to emerge. The universe is not just a place where things happen, but a place where certain structures manage to last, and understanding why they last may reveal something deeper about the nature of reality. Thanks for taking the time to listen. If you found the information interesting, useful, or simply neat to think about, please consider liking the video, sharing it, or subscribing to the channel. And if you have questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, because I really enjoy thoughtful discussions and good scientific questions. My name is Charles Carroll, and I hope you'll join me next time, because you never know where the science might take us.